Good morning, you guys. What's up? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a what I eat in a day. We're obviously back home from our honeymoon. We're super sad about it, but it is really nice to be back and to be back in the cold weather. Okay, well, I say cold. Today's the first day of fall, I think, officially, and it's like 57 degrees outside, so it feels so nice. I'm so excited. I'm wearing jeans and a long sleeve shirt. It's awesome. So yeah, today's gonna be a what I eat in a day, like a cozy fall edition, because it's Saturday. We really want to make just some warm, fun foods for fall. So I'm starting off my morning. I have a turmeric latte. So well, turmeric tea, whatever you want to call it. I just heated up some unsweetened vanilla almond milk in the microwave, the super lazy way of doing it, and then I put a big spoonful of the copper cup turmeric mix in here and just stirred it together. It's just got like coconut milk powder, turmeric powder, coconut sugar, black pepper, and some other stuff. If you don't know, turmeric and black pepper always need to be taken together because that's how you can absorb all the nutrients of turmeric. But yeah, it's really good. The coconut sugar makes it a little sweet, and along with coconut milk, but then the turmeric and the black pepper is kind of spicy, and I really like it. And then for breakfast, I'm also having a few slices of my chocolate chip pumpkin bread. I made this recipe for a video I did last fall, like a all pumpkin recipe video, so I'll tag that down below if you want the recipe, and the recipe is also on my blog, so I'll put that down below. And then I just heated it up in the microwave for a little bit and topped it with some all natural peanut butter. It's really good, and I really wanted something just cozy and fall for breakfast, so that's what I'm having. And yeah, like I said, it's Saturday, so we don't really have a lot of stuff planned. I kind of want to go to Michael's and buy some more fall decorations because they have some really cute stuff out, and they're having a ton of 50% off sales. So probably gonna go there, and super excited. Tonight we're making chili and garlic bread for dinner, so I'm gonna show you that. It's actually gonna put this video a little out of order because we're gonna make it like right after I'm done filming this in the crock pot, so we can just sit all day. So I'm just gonna show you how we make it when we make it. It's 11:30 right now. We slept in because we've just been exhausted from the trip and then going right back to work. Yeah, I guess that's all I have to say. So I'm gonna go enjoy my breakfast and my tea, and I will see you guys for the chili making. Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary. It's been kind of a while since I talked to you guys this morning, but I filmed and edited a video, and while I did that, I ate pretty much this whole bag of these Brussels sprout puffs from Vegan Rob's. They're really freaking good. And I didn't really realize how weird of an eating day this was gonna be, considering I didn't eat breakfast until like noon. So it's obviously not gonna be like a full day of eating because I wasn't really awake for a full day. But now it is 6 o'clock and I'm ready to eat chili, so I'm gonna eat a bowl of that with the world's laziest garlic bread, which I'm about to show you. And then I was gonna make sour cream, but now that it's already 6 o'clock, I'm just gonna use some unsweetened almond milk yogurt, which I'm super pumped about because our store just got the unsweetened one. We also did go to Michael's. We just got back, and I got this really cute sign that I've been really wanting, and then I also got this tiny pumpkin. So yeah, I'm really hungry, so let's eat. All right, so I just cut 2 pieces of the sourdough loaf that we had from the store, and then I'm just gonna spread some of this on it. It's just a mixture that Caleb uses a lot. It's like olive oil, salt, pepper, I think some of that, everything but the bagel seasoning. And then I'm also gonna put some extra garlic on it and just throw it in the toaster for a little bit, and then eat it with a big bowl of chili. And then this is the yogurt that I was talking about.